recording.
Okay. What's up, Buttercups? How y'all doing on this magnificently golden day? My name is Mallory, and if I haven't met you yet, I'm the wife of the Golden Drive, aka Elvis, who's behind me here. Okay.
Yes, tell them about the Datsun.
This luxurious vehicle comes with a ski box and mirrors at the front that you can't see out of. There's 2 racing seats installed with absolutely no movement of whatsoever. What else? The steering wheel comes off, and it's
you'll do a full review of the car later. But give me my camera. What's up, Buttercups? Oh yes, as you guys have seen, that is Mallory. She is my wife, and we just got married. And yeah, I just wanted to introduce her to the channel because I feel like we dated for about a year, and then we got married. And yeah, but you guys haven't met her yet, so I was like, oh, you guys need to meet her because she's golden and she's amazing. And but the reason I actually wanted to make this video, another reason, is because as you guys would probably see in the thumbnail or the title of the video, I have sold all my cars. Oh, so sad. I just sold the Celica, but yep, it's going up to him.
Thank you.
So, oh yeah, no, thank you. Oh my gosh. So sad. It's going away. Oh. Dang, that car looks good as it's going. See ya! That guy literally just stole the car from my hand, but it's fine. Oh, so sad. It's gone.
I messed up.
The what?
This one right here. It likes to skip sometimes.
Oh, wow.
The teeth on the wheel is going away.
Woo! The Jag is gone. So sad. Oh my gosh. Obviously, except the Datsun. Now the Datsun is gonna stay for a while, but I have sold all my cars. So I sold all my cars and got married. I think, yeah, that was a progression. So yeah, it was all her fault. I'm just kidding. Yes. But yeah, I mean, I have some explaining to do because I haven't. If you guys don't know, you guys haven't seen. And I'm temporarily in Kentucky for a little while. I left LA, but I mean, I'll be going back to LA at some point whenever they tell us to go back to the office in person. But for now, I am just going to be working remotely here from Kentucky. And yeah, it's winter time in LA. It is 70-something degrees, and I'm so jealous. And I'm sure you are too, because yeah. Yes. But yeah, so tell them why I sold the 2 cars, babe. Why did I sell the Celica and the Jag? So in case you guys don't know, I had a 1973 Jaguar XJ6 and I also got a big block for it. And I also got a 1977 Toyota Celica GT. But again, I had to sell both of them for a very good reason. Why did I sell them?
Well, one, you couldn't drive all of the cars to Kentucky because you're only
Canada.
one person.
Yeah.
Yes. But the main reason is because we are trying to get this guy up to Canada, which is super exciting, and hopefully that'll happen in the next few months.
Yeah, hopefully. Oh my goodness. Oh, it has been a crazy journey, and yes, sadly, not sadly, awesomely. No, I'm gonna be leaving the States. I've been here for a while, and it's like, I know, like, I don't know, the car community in the States is amazing. I don't know how the car community in Canada is gonna be. But yes, we have made the announcement. I'm gonna be moving to Canada, hopefully before the end of the year. Let me see if this thing is still recording. Oh, yeah, it was recording, that's good. But yeah, it's just crazy. And yeah, so I drove the Datsun here, and we've just been here. We've been chilling. Initially, I mean, I had no really solid plans for the Datsun, but I don't think I'm gonna sell it, at least for now. Yeah, and it's my daily driver. And it just snowed, and you guys would see we literally drove this thing up here. So if we get stuck, there's like a hill. If we get stuck going down, I don't know what we're gonna do. But yeah, the Datsun drives great. And the previous video, you would see that I did some donuts in the Datsun. So I don't want to try donuts here because I might get stuck. The ground is not very level. So I like doing donuts wherever it's a little bit more level. But yeah, it is so nice today. And yeah, just wanted to make that glorious announcement. And yeah, in case you guys are wondering how the Datsun drives in the snow, it drives great. It drives golden. It's a little bit sketchy because there's no ABS, there's no traction control, there's no, what else?
No
airbags. There's no, like, just think of everything that a normal car should have. This car does not have it. So yeah. It wanted a racing harness. There's no racing harness, racing harness for the seats, but I'm gonna get those soon. But yeah, so in the next video, she's probably gonna do a review of the Datsun. So if you guys want to see her in more of my videos, just give a golden thumbs up to this video. And she's gonna tell you how she loves the Datsun so much. Oh yeah. She hates it. It's time. She hates it. Yeah, but oh my goodness. Yep, that's pretty much it, guys. Now you might watch me drive this car down from this hill or get stuck. I'm not certain, but there's like 12 inches of snow underneath us. So yeah. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, and I almost forgot, I'm probably also gonna leave like our wedding video at the end of this video, so you guys can check it out if you want to.
Cute.
So yeah. Oh my gosh. But again, yeah, just comment down below, give a like in the description if you want to see Mallory in the golden videos. So, and a lot of you might be thinking, you're like, oh, she probably made me sell all the cars, but she didn't. I just decided to sell them because just because of the reasons that she mentioned. Yeah, and just so it's easier, so hopefully I can take this one up to Canada whenever I move. But yeah, and so 1 is better than 3. Oh, I almost just fell. I almost just fell. But yeah, oh, look at the Datsun looking so pretty. Oh, looking amazing, so good. Oh crap, I am literally almost falling every 5 seconds. But yeah, we're just here to take some pictures, just here to do some driving, and ta-da. Okay, I think she's gonna do the closing now because
I don't know what your closing is.
I don't know how you just the like and subscribe thing and blah 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 blah.
Okay,
Come on, okay, here you go. I'm giving it to her.
Okay, if you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Our YouTube channel.
Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe to his YouTube channel. Well, yeah, everything is ours now.
Yeah, I know.
Sorry. Anyways, bye guys.
Bye.
I love you times 1,000 gummy bears. I love you for your goofy side. When you sing an octave higher in almost every song. Or when you tell me the whole premise of an anime episode, even when I didn't ask. I love you for your passionate side when you tell me every single ingredient that went into your dinner recipe. Or when you go on and on about what you're doing to your car, even though I have no idea what you're talking about. And I love you for your cheesy dad jokes. I love and appreciate your sense of humor and your ability not to take life so seriously all the time.
Since day one, oh, you were all I ever saw. Since day one.
Wait, I can look now?
Feeling today?
Oh my gosh, you have no idea. It's a bit, it's a bit nervous, but it's actually, I'm so excited. I'm more excited than nervous, but yeah, it's gonna be golden.
What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do when you look at her the first time? Yeah. It's like, can you do that again? What was that again? What were you gonna do?
Like,
Those long talks, those late nights, spent staring in your eyes.
November 2nd, 2019, we were in Seattle. I asked you to be my girlfriend, and a few minutes later, you were driving me to the emergency room. Our relationship has been an amazing adventure, a long distance, asking your parents for their blessing over FaceTime, planning a wedding while thousands of miles apart before we were even engaged, getting engaged, and then married in a week. It really has been a golden adventure, and I would do it all again and choose you over and over.
I promise to honor you in such a way that honors our Father in heaven. I promise to always choose you.
I, Ufoma Zikora Elvis Obukopo, take you, Mallory Louise Della Rambelgi, to be my wife. I promise to lead our family closer to the Lord every day of our life.
I promise to seek Jesus every day of my life and keep him at the center of our relationship.
With the power invested in me by God in the state of Kentucky, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride. For the first time, may I now introduce to you Mr. and Mrs. Ufuma and Mallory Elvis Obokuwo.